Are you looking for the best table saws for woodworking? In this video we will look at some of the best table saws for woodworking on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dewalt Flexvolt TS6307-00T1. Dewalt's Flexvolt technology is no longer new, but it's the type of tech that made this so possible. The Flexvolt battery can change between different voltages, powering 60 volts and 20 volts max tools, depending on the type of tool you plug it on. This Dewalt TS6307-00T1 is a 60 volts portable table saw. This model comes with a battery and charger, so you can easily power it up and get to work as soon as possible. The TS6307-00T1 allows you to use the saw at any given condition. You get a battery-powered tool and the peace of mind that you can always switch to corded whenever you want. If you're on a remote job site, this is the kind of tool you bring. It's portable and it's battery-powered. On the other hand, if you're in your workshop, you can always plug it directly into an outlet. Most Dewalt table saws use a rack and pinion fence, and this one's no different. It uses a rack and pinion telescoping fence, which is relatively easy to use and adjust as needed. It's also very accurate right out of the box. The Dewalt TS6307-00T1 comes equipped with an 8-1/4-4-inch blade. This is not the largest of blades, but it's ideal for DIY and job site rip cuts. Although small, it has a 24-inch rip capacity, which means you can rip down sheet goods like MDF and similar types of boards with great accuracy. Number 2. Skil TS6307-00. Job site table saws range from a few $100 close to $1,000. If you need one that performs really well, but your budget is pretty tight, then this Skil TS6307-00 might just be what you need. It features everything you need to tackle projects of various sizes on the job site, like quickly ripping large boards and making consistent repeat cuts. The fence it comes with is a rack and pinion fence, which is pretty easy to adjust when making cuts. It's fast and smooth. Adjusting the blade to be parallel to the fence is also pretty straightforward. In fact, you can make micro adjustments to ensure the cut is as accurate as possible. Supplying the power is a 15 motor with a no-load speed of 4,600 RPM, allowing you to cut through different types of wood, both hardwood and softwood, with ease. The Skil TS6307-00 job site table saw makes use of a 10-inch blade, which allows a 3.5-inch maximum depth of cut and a 2.5-inch max cutting depth when beveled at 45 degrees. Number 3. Bosch 4100XC. Apart from the other bells and whistles that makes the Bosch 4100XC10 one of the best job site table saws out there, the easy-to-use gravity rise stand that comes with it is one special accessory that draws pro-consumers to it. The gravity rise stand is very easy to use. Setup requires just one step, and overall, it makes the table saw very portable with a wheel that makes moving it on the job site very simple. Equipped with a 15 4.0 HP motor, producing a max speed of 3,650 RPM, the Bosch 4100XC10 is capable of cutting through any wood stock you throw at it. The 30-inch by 22.5-inch cast aluminum tabletop provides ample work surface to cut large boards with ease. It features a solid and smooth gliding square-lock rip fence that provides a 30-inch rip capacity on the table. The fence is very accurate and easy to use right out of the box. A very good feature of the Bosch 4100XC10 table saw is that it maintains the same speed under load. This ensures it cuts through materials easily without any hiccups. It also helps the blade stay true and accurate all the time. Number 4. Milwaukee 2736-21 HD. As a professional contractor, general carpenter or home remodeler, you need a table saw that's portable and convenient to use with or without access to electricity. That is exactly what this Milwaukee 2736-21 HD M18 fuel-powered table saw is designed for job site applications. Just like any other cordless tool, you can't beat the convenience of using a saw like this on the job site. Apart from being convenient to use, it's also very powerful. It comes equipped with Milwaukee's PowerState brushless motor that produces up to 6,300 RPM of speed and higher even under load. This thing will cut through any wood you throw at it with ease. Pine, oak, maple, you name it. It cuts through them like a hot knife through butter. Next is the battery. The M18 fuel battery that comes with it can last throughout the day. It doesn't run down easily and it charges quickly. The Milwaukee 2736-21 HD table saw comes with an 8-1/4-4-inch blade and has a 24-1/2-inch rip capacity for cutting sheet goods. It can rip through 8 sheets of OSB or plywood with ease. Number 5. Delta 36-5100 T2. Contractor table saws are like the midpoint between a full cabinet saw and a job site unit. This Delta 36-5100 T2 is a very good one I'd recommend if you're looking for something a bit more robust than a portable job site saw. It has a huge 30-inch rip capacity aided with a cast iron table and 2 cast iron extension wings, which allows you to cut large sheet goods or plywood easily. It has a 3-1/8-inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and a 2-1/4-inch depth of cut at 45 degrees. The Bismea-style fence that comes with it is very easy to use and adjust, allowing you to cut very tiny pieces off your stock with precision. The Delta 36-5100 T2 features a 15-amp 1 HP motor which spins the 10-inch blade at 3,450 RPM. It's very powerful and will cut through any wood you pass through it. Apart from the 10-inch blade, it also accepts a 13/6x8-inch dado stack for cutting slots in your stock. It makes use of a belt drive, which might reduce the power, but also reduces the noise and vibration produced by the motor.